Hello, team. As we have completed week 2, the theme was telling to asking, and those asking is not only to the team or the work whom you work with only, but it is to yourself as well. This is a bonus video for the week 2 summary. What we practiced in this week was asking outcome focused questions. The other thing which we learned and understood is letting others lead conversation and discussions and decisions rather than you guide them, you tell them what to do and what not to do. The third very, very powerful thing which we learned is replacing advice with inquiry, or I would say, allowing them to come up with whatever options they have worked with. Do not advise them, right? I think ask before advising is the one which we were talking about. And then one more very powerful topic which we learned was empower over impress. Do not try and impress your own self. Do not try and impress yourself to somebody else. Let your team empower them and be in the limelight, and that helps them to hold on the things much more better. Let them scale, let them grow, let them get into the peak performance, and you yourself will perform at your peak 100%. Celebrating others' idea, not just your own. And that was the theme which we were talking about when we were talking about empower over impress, right? Go and give the opportunity to your juniors or your team members. Applause for them, empower them, put them in front of client, put them in front of the leadership team, put them into the few of the hurdles beyond their level, and let them flourish, let them learn, let them flourish, let them put across their ideas into the actions and do whatever they want to do in that sense, right? And that will help them to scale themselves to the next level altogether. They will get more visibility. They will not feel that you being a leader is taking all the credit. You may be protective, you may be protecting them from so many political challenges, so many other you are the one who is taking the bullet on you. I understand, but allowing them as well to go and fight in front. You cannot take all the bullets on you. Be it good, be it for the good, be it for the bad. Allow them to work. If they do not practice, if they do not go and fight into the battle, if they do not see how the things are, then how will they tomorrow work as a leader? How will they learn all of these skills? How and where will they go and validate their own skills? What they think about? They may have better idea than you. They may have a better options than you. They have better thoughts than you. Why are we resisting? Why are we restricting them? So try and give more and more opportunities here to your team. With this, all of these what we have practiced, I feel when you practice all of these, what may have shifted in you yourself as you would have experienced how asking builds clarity and ownership within you as well as your team. You must have seen ideas surface when you held back your answers. Your team is giving much better ideas, coming up with much better ideas than what you can think of. The last thing which you must have shifted is in you is you have realized leadership influence grows when you give away the stage. Absolutely, you heard it right. It is really, really important, and it is better to realize that leadership influence goes. People will be able to see you as an influencer. They will start following you by default when you give away the stage to them, to others. So look out for these shifts within you and how your team is reacting on the approach what you have been taking in last 2 weeks. I'm very excited with these 2 weeks of activities which we have been doing, and even more excited to move to the week 3, where we are now moving from pressure to purpose. We are now going towards more and more creating the purpose, leading the meaning, not just the milestone, is the theme which we are moving across as a week 3. And I would like to encourage you that you try and revisit all of these whatever we have learned in week 1, week 2. This will surely help you to release those pressures, help you move from those pressures to purpose, and help you lead with meaning and not just milestones. With this, I would like to end this bonus session. This is the end of week 2, and we are very, very excited to help you get you to the week 3. Thank you very much.